सर 100% शुभुची
और एबे शुभु नहीं कोजो
सर सर शुभुची तो हमको
सर शुभुची हमको शुभुची
सर फास्ट टू लास्ट से सब शुभुची सर
और देखा एटा मो कोन कहउली क्लास भीतर हमें डिफाइन करूचे फॉर डिफाइनिंग ए क्लास इन जावा वी हैव टू यूज द क्लास कीवर्ड ओके हमें क्लास कीवर्ड डिफाइन करियो ओके फॉर डिफाइनिंग क्लास इन जावा क्लास कीवर्ड इज यूज्ड क्लास then class name as the class name is like xyz okay class name when you define it also follow the rule that we follow while declaring a variable जो declare करिवा जो तरीका थिला ये भी सिम्पली डिफाइन करा जिवो माने क्लास नेम हमें जब डिफाइन करिवा सेटा कोनोसी नंबर रो आरंभ होबो नाही आ कोनोसी स्पेस दे परिबा नाही एमते कि सपोज student space name student तो एठी जो मु क्लास डिफाइन कली स्टूडेंट क्लास तो एमती डिफाइन करी होबो नाही स्टूडेंट क्लास डिफाइन करी होबो नाही जदी मते डिफाइन करिवा को जगह दरकार तो ए जगह रे मु अंडरस्कोर यूज करिवि मु स्पेस दे परिबि नाही तो क्लास एला क्लास नेम एला क्लास नेम मुटे डिफाइन करी अच्छा जो वेरिएबल टा मु डिफाइन करूची जो भी वेरिएबल और फंक्शन मु क्लास भीतर डिफाइन करिवि ताको कहलिबो मेंबर ऑफ क्लास जदी वेरिएबल टा डिफाइन कली ताको कहजिबो मेंबर वेरिएबल जदी मु फंक्शन डिफाइन करूची ताको कहजिबो मेंबर फंक्शन द वेरिएबल एंड फंक्शन दैट इज डिफाइंड inside the class is called the member variable and member function I start with how to write a program in Java. For writing a program in Java, first we have to define a class keyword class xyz then here we pass suppose class my first class and then here we define public static void main then string args. It is showing you system dot out
सर
dot
void spelling
कौन है वॉइस आसुनी
सर void रे spelling mistake अछि सर void main function
system dot out dot println it is showing you hello Java. तो ये जो प्रोग्राम रे मैं कमेंट लाइन दी दउची क्लास so it is a keyword for defining class. It is a keyword for defining class. The class is a keyword for is used for defining a class. Public static void main string args. It is called as the main method. This total is called as the main method or entry point of your program. Entry point of program. So in this public static void main, public is called as access specifier. Access specifier means access specifier that we are saying main method is always public, means how you have to access your main method. Main method को तुम्हें केमते access करियो. So we can access the main method publicly. So public is called as the access specifier. Means the main method can access anywhere. The main method को मैं program टा आगु जितना लिखिवा we break the program into a smaller and modular part, and by using this public, or when you break your program and write anywhere for accessing all the program, and if any sub program want to access the program, so if you are not defining main method as public, then it is not able to access. So that we are defining main method as public. Public then static means constant, only one copy of given object is created. If you notice that, suppose in a class, if more than one person is having the same name, so if I ask or call one person, maybe two person will respond to me. So that you have to ensure that in a program, main method is unique, main method is static. It means there is no duplicate value is created for main method. So that we define the main method as static. Void, it is return type which doesn't return any value. It is a return type which doesn't return any value, means the program is taking the input, it processes the input, then it is generate the output. The return type which is used, which doesn't return any value. The void is a return type. Main, it is a main method. String args, it is called an array. String args is called as an array. args, it is not mandate, माने एटा compulsory नुहे तमे args दबो ए जगह तमे जे कोनोसी ना दे परिबो बा आगु जो प्रोग्राम करिवि. So I have to change this name. Okay, so it is not compulsory that you have to give the args. It is called an array, which is used to pass and receive the data to and from function at runtime. That is string args. This is called as is used to accept the input to and from function at runtime. The string args and system. The system is called predefined. Is a predefined class which is defined by the JVM. It is a predefined class. Then system dot out is a variable of print string class, which is responsible to print data on screen. Screen ने output टा show करे पे हमें system dot out use करीबा. So println is a method which is used to display information on screen. Print in screen in a new line character, in a new line. Similar way, the print method is used to display information in same line. It is used to display information in same line. Okay. So these are the keywords that we are writing in the same program. And for compiling the Java application, how to compile? First you write Java C, then file name is my class, okay, .java. It is a compilation. For compilation, this is used for compilation. And now if you want to execute the program, then Java my first. So it is used for execute. For execute the program, Java my first is used. Class, my class, public static void main. Okay, so for compiling this application, Java C is the compiler name. We can write here Java C is the compiler name. This is a compiler name. And for execute the program, we are using here Java my first dot execute. Okay. And remember that when you save the file, you have to save the file with the class name. So in a program, there may be more than one class is present, but in which class your main method is present, save that file with that name. Save that file with that name. Suppose in a program, गोटे program रे हमें more than one classes use कर परिबा. मु कोन कहले ना हमें तला file टा save करिबा, class नाटा जहा रहइबो, file नाटा share रहइबो. किंतु एठी हमें जतरा देखिबा एठी क्लास नाटा अछि कोन my first class आ गोटे एग्जांपल देखिबो गोटे प्रोग्राम रे more than one classes रही परिबो, so that at that timing तुम कौन करिवो जो क्लास भितर मेन मेथड थिवो तुमरो फाइल टा सेही नारे सेव हो एटी माय फर्स्ट क्लास अछि मो फाइल टा को सेव करूची तो सेव so I write here my first class dot java. I save the file. My file is saved as a Java. Now for executing the Java program, for compiling the Java program, first of all you have to install the netbean and jdk. You have to install it. Okay, then it is run. So I open here cmd. Acha, my file is present where? My file is present in your D drive. So I move to the D drive. Then Java C file name dot Java. So my program is compiled and for execution Java, my first class. It is showing you hello Java. Okay, so write this program.
sir.
Yes. Next we start with the constructor. So what is the work of constructor? Now it is a special method which is used to initialize the member variable. Constructor is a special type of method. Right? Okay, so before starting with the constructor, I start with the method, then I move to the constructor. Okay, method. What is method? It contains a set of instructions which is used to do specific task. Then constructor name and class name